What's up, friends? I have a piece of software that I install on almost any of my Linux computers. It helps open any application simply by keyboard shortcut, then type in some of the letters of that application. It's like Rofi, and it's a little bit like probably more beautiful in its graphics. You can simply use it or use Rofi or any other alternative. This application exists in the AUR. We can install it using two methods. The first one is using an AUR helper, which can reduce the steps of the installation and make them only one simply by typing yay. For example, if you're using yay as an AUR helper, dash uppercase S, and the application name, in our case it's Ulauncher. You press enter. Since I don't have yay installed, it will not work. As you can see, you can use Paru. I don't also have it here. It will do nothing. Or any other similar AUR helper, as long as the command is the same. It may be a little different. You need to know what is the command to install any application using your favorite AUR helper to install this piece of software. The manual way which I'm gonna use here is simply by running git. In case you have git, I will check if I do. Enter. Yes, I do. So let me clear out the screen, and then the first command should be git clone, and then https //linux.arch/linux.org/ulauncher.git. The next command should be cd to the application name, since it makes a directory with that name. And then the next command afterwards is make pkg-si, and then pkg build, and then like this. Y, enter. Okay, password again, and then Y and enter. Password again, Y and enter, and the installation is done. The first run of the application, you go for it, you look for it, like for example it should be somewhere here. Here it is. You run it. If you are using Wayland, you may face some issues running this application since it's not ready yet for it. You may need some extra configurations, but in case you don't want to have any hassle with it, simply use Xorg. Especially on Arch Linux, the session of Xorg still exists, and you can use it simply there. To spawn or to have the window of Ulauncher, simply press, the keyboard shortcut is Control plus space, and here it is. You can go to the settings, and then there is a configuration that I always like to enable, which is launch at login. I enabled it, and then anything else, it is up to you. You can change the theme, for example. Let's check how it would look like. Here it is. Yeah, I guess you can have some extensions. You have you can add your own stuff like that. Shortcuts, preferences, which was open for us. This piece of software has a service that you can configure, which is Ulauncher We can check the status. Oh wait, I forgot. Like this. I guess it's for the user, not the system. So it should be user yes. So our service is enabled per user for this piece of software. You can use it simply by, for example, if I want to open the browser, which, yeah, I have a GNOME's browser. I didn't install any other one. You can simply type B or web and it's gonna give you the application. There are other options. You can simply explore the, let's see if it gives you sometimes there are other options that this piece of software gives, like for example calculations. You can look online for stuff, I guess. I don't know, maybe Wikipedia. Enter. No, let's go to it like this, or Alt+1. Oh yeah, having this prefix makes you look for any term on Wikipedia. Let's type, for example, Arch Linux. So this is one of the functionalities of this piece of software that you can simply use, which is looking online for some of the stuff that you're looking for. You can see here that it gave us the page, official Wikipedia page of Arch Linux. Okay, I guess that was it for this piece of software. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and cheers.